Hey guys, long time no see. Okay, so today I'm coming back with a full detailed tutorial, and honestly, this one took me an entire month to test, revise, and refine before I finally had a workflow solid enough to share with you. We're talking about a proven system for the finance niche using Claude Code. I'm going to walk you through both a semi-auto system and a fully automated system, how to write scripts that actually include fact checks, work well with high retention, how to create videos at the lowest possible cost so you can keep going until your channel blows up and starts making real money. Yeah. Now you can find auto systems and prompts from a lot of gurus out there on the internet, but here's where it gets interesting. How many of them actually practice and test until they get a system that genuinely works? And if you want to build a system to create videos like the 𝐘𝐿 channel, right now you'd need to pay $49 a month to join his community. But what I'm sharing here today is my system, fully tested, revised, and continuously updated through multiple versions, along with the critical notes you need. So your videos actually come out at a solid quality level. This is a high RPM mish, averaging around $15, but it does demand real efforts. All right, let's get into it. Setup. The AI tools I use in this video are not
Claude, 11 Labs, and 𝐾𝐿.
If this is your first time using Claude Code, setting up your API keys, creating your folder structure, and installing Git, Python, and FFmpeg, check out my updated V38 system file. I've documented everything in detail. The setup walkthrough is in the beginning of my previous video. I've linked it in the description below. Now let's get into the main stuff. Here's the formula for success in the finance niche.
Script plus consistency plus title plus thumbnail plus topic. Video script.
If you actually want high-quality content, you need to invest in your image prompts and your video script prompts.
And this is the part most people completely overlook. In this niche, there are many different ways to write a video script. Each writing style needs its own dedicated prompt. You can't just use one script prompt for everything and repeat it forever.
Your content will get boring over time. And this is something almost no guru out there will tell you. For example,
you could write in a storytelling style where you tell the story of 1, 2, or 3 characters so that by the end of the video, the viewer walks away with a clear lesson and a solution to their problem. Let me give you a concrete example. The Mark Invests channel, with just 34 videos, he's crossed 10,000 plus subscribers. A lot of his videos are written in a comparison topic style. 8 to 15-minute videos with 2 to 3 reveal loops and a conditional framework close, covering debate topics like real estate versus stocks, pay off debt versus invest, rent versus buy. Then there's the 𝐘𝐿 channel. If you watch closely, you'll notice some videos are written as tactical sequence topics, order of investing, which account to fund first, step-by-step frameworks. And he also applies multiple other writing styles on top of that. Yeah.
Okay, and here's how I do it. I've already written 3 script writing styles I use regularly. The links are right below this video in my Discord. Go grab them.
Once you've got your folder selected, the one where you keep all your .env, config, channel, commands, and everything else, you just type /generate ideas, let it create a list of ideas, then pick the best topic, or a topic you already found on your own through your own research. Then you hit /generate script1.md or /generate script2.md, or whichever generate script.md file matches the system prompt writing style you want to use, plus topic idea. Enter, then you have the JSON script. But how to create your own generate script.md file based on any viral video's writing style? I'll show you that in just a second. Stay with me. You hit enter, and at that point, Claude Code calls the Anthropic API. The script automatically reads your Anthropic API key from the .env file, calls Claude Opus 4.8 with the full writing instructions as the system prompt, receives the JSON back, validates it, and saves it as current script.json. It also creates the folder automatically, updates current video folder.txt, and appends ideas history.txt.
But if you want to create new writing styles to make your content more engaging, here's what I do. Find a big channel in the same niche.
Let's use 𝐘𝐿 as an example. Go to his popular video section. Click on a popular video you like. Open the video description, hit transcript, and then copy transcript. If you have vidIQ installed, you can copy it even faster right from there. Then go over to Claude, paste the transcript in, and send this message. Hit enter, wait a moment for Claude to generate the skill, then hit Save Skill so you can use it next time. Once you have the skill, just type / and select it. Upload one of my generatescript.md files to Claude and tell it to replace the system prompt section inside the Python script, keeping all the rest intact, the API call, file saving, folder creation logic. Then generate a new generatescript.md file. Ideal script length is 10 to 12 minutes, or whatever duration you want to fill in. And name the file something easy to remember, so calling it later is quick. Then you have a new command file for the video script. Now, let's go back to the script I just generated. After you have your video script, read through it carefully. Check if anything needs adjusting, especially the intro. For a script like this one, if I feel it's good to go, I approve it. The JSON script includes title, topic, video description, hashtags, total scene count, image prompt for each scene, and the corresponding voiceover for each scene. Generate images.
The system prompt for images, I've optimized and revised it so many times. It took a massive amount of time and effort to land on prompts that actually work. Visually interesting, with some humor, friendly, and relatable for the audience. Here's how it works and what to watch out for.
You just type /generate images. Claude will automatically call the �Key.AI API, generate the images from the current script JSON file, and download them directly to your computer. Once you have the images, any you want to reject, just add their scene numbers to the rejected file, and Claude will regenerate those. Any images that look good, move them into the approved folder. Does this system have consistent characters? For the narrator character, in my updated v38 system file, I've already documented this clearly. When you create the channel config.txt file, for the main character, upload your character image to https://imgbb.com/ then paste the direct link URL into the channel config.txt file. It should end in .png or .jpg. This URL is used in every video to keep your character consistent across your entire channel. You'll also need to enter your hex codes for your brand colors. For other characters, varies per video. Each video tells a different story with different content. So the way I keep secondary characters consistent is, when Claude writes the JSON script, it describes each secondary character in each scene where they appear. And from what I've seen, GPT Image 2 holds consistency pretty well.
Here's a question for you. What style of video do you actually want to make? Like the Bob Invests?
Just images assembled together, maybe a light Ken Burns zoom effect with auto-generated subtitles, and that's it? Or do you want something more polished like the 𝐿𝐼𝐼 channel, where the first 2 to 3 minutes have animated character movement in the intro? If you want fully automated like the 𝐿𝐼𝐼𝐼 style, just type /generate final. Claude Code will automatically call the ElevenLabs API to generate voiceover for each scene, then use FFmpeg to combine each scene with its audio and zoom effect, stitch all the scene clips together, and return a subtitled final video. If you want the 𝐿𝐼𝐼𝐼 style with animation in the intro but want to keep costs low, after all your images are approved, go back into Claude Code and type /generate audio. Claude will quickly call the ElevenLabs API and return all the audio files to your computer inside the audio folder. Then go to Flow and generate the first 30 scene images into 30 video clips. You can use multiple free accounts. Each Google Flow free account gives you around 50 credits per day. Then import all the images, clips, and audio into CapCut. Match each scene's visual with its corresponding audio, turn on auto caption to generate subtitles, format the subtitles so they're easy to read, then export the final video in full HD along with the subtitle.txt file to upload to YouTube. Uploading the subtitle file separately is a simple way to improve your channel's SEO. How I personally run my finance channel.
I run it similar to the 𝐿𝐼𝐼𝐼 channel style with my main narrator, characters, and my image style, not Family Guy style.
Tips and keynotes.
For everyone who's new to this niche, please do not just grab the system and skip this section. From my experience, 50% of the factors that determine whether you succeed in this niche come down to
consistency, plus title, plus thumbnail, plus topic. Consistency.
Outside of pure luck, when you first start uploading, your videos will get very few views. YouTube needs time to understand your channel before it starts recommending you to the right audience. The �Nick channel took a few weeks before its first video got recommended. Some channels get their first push after 1 month, others after 2 months, 3 months, and they uploaded consistently every single day. Most people quit right before they break through, and I'm not just saying that as a motivational line. A huge number of people in this space either quit when they see the early results, keep switching accounts, or hop from niche to niche and get trapped in a loop of never quite making it on the platform. Thumbnails are absolutely critical for a new finance channel. Make time for your thumbnails. Your thumbnail needs to be on the same level or better than your competitors. And this sounds simple, but almost nobody does it properly. Even if your video content is excellent, if nobody clicks on it, it means nothing. Here's how I approach it.
I find a standout thumbnail on a competitor's channel. I bring it into ChatGPT and ask it to analyze why that thumbnail works. What makes it pop? I read the analysis, then I upload my channel's main character image, upload the video script, and give it this prompt. The video title is your title. Read the attached video script and based on your analysis above, suggest 10 thumbnail text options and 10 thumbnail prompts. Requirements. The thumbnail must tap into the viewer's dream or pain point, create an emotional reaction in the first 1 to 2 seconds, and be highly clickable. Then, I pick the best prompts, generate a few options, and choose the most striking one as my thumbnail. Title plus topic.
Your video title needs to be good or better than your competitors. It needs to tell the viewer exactly what you're covering and what solution they'll walk away with if they click and watch.
You can use the title Claude suggests in the current_script file for each video, but I'd encourage you to spend more time thinking about your titles than that.
The math is simple. The methods are proven. The only difference is consistency, because without a click, there's no view, and the first window viewers see is your title and your thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Drop a comment below, tell me what niche you're working in, or whether you found this breakdown helpful. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video on the channel. See you in the next one.